retrial, I should say, underway. So this is involving a former high-powered attorney from Buckhead who was convicted of killing his wife during a 2018 murder trial, found guilty of murder. His wife, Diane McIver, died in 2016. This defendant is named Tex McIver. And so he's back in court today. Georgia's High Court had decided he should be tried again because the jury didn't have a chance to review the lesser charges here. Josh, I mean, this is a fellow attorney, was a fellow attorney. What do you think?
This is another hot one and a high profile because of exactly the man and the gentleman that not just Tex McIver was, but his amazing departed wife, Miss Diane McIver. She was from a very influential business family. She brought an enormous amount of influence to our local business universe, the Corey family. That's where she was from. If you've ever seen that big smokestack downtown, that is one of the family properties. And Tex was accused and eventually convicted of shooting Diane while sitting in the back seat of their vehicle while driving downtown. Another criminal allegation tied up with our concept of race here in Atlanta, because there were allegations that he was brandishing the firearm due to the fear of being downtown. He was convicted at trial by the Fulton County DA's office, but as you mentioned, Joy, when the conviction was reviewed by the Georgia Appellate Courts, Georgia Supreme Court, it was determined that there was enough information for the jury to justify an involuntary manslaughter jury instruction that was not provided by Robert McVerney after argument from the state. And so therefore, he has been sent back for retrial on the top count of murder so that the involuntary manslaughter can come in. Now, obviously, this gives the state and the defense a second go-round. Traditionally, that benefits the defense more than the state, but very often it's the other way around. And we'll have to see. The lawyers involved with this are some of the best defense lawyers in the state. Don Samuels, who's involved in several other high-profile issues, is defending Mr. McIver, and there's already been an argument this morning, a rather substantial one, involving the admission of certain pieces of evidence. We're still in jury selection.
Still in jury selection. We're going to follow that one closely for sure.